Welcome to CES 2026. We're here with NOVELIC, showing our ASPER radar platform. So what's unique about this radar? It's 180 degrees field of view coverage. So we have a global patent protection on our in-house antenna design, which allows us to cover a side of the vehicle completely. We have different form factors, like we can make it as small as this one. And what can we do with that? We can replace ultrasonics completely to do parking, but then also, thanks to our modulation, we can also cover mid-range driving functions. So let's have a look at the demo. So now, let's see it live. We have the radar here, and we have a depiction of this 2 by 2 meters area where I am right now. So now I'm typically in the area where the field of view of a corner radar ends. So now I can get further and further to the edge of the field of view, and you can see that I'm still detected. So we can detect here perpendicular to the vehicle, up to 50 meters we can detect cars. So this means full coverage, near range, but then also up to mid-range for driving functions. And you see, showing now here the closest detection to the sensor for parking functions, completely to the edge. So our ASPER radar platform can do more with one radar. So we showed what we can do with parking. We talked about the driving functions, blind spot, lane change assist, cross traffic alert. But then we can also do the kick to open the trunk. So with one radar, we also support this function. And we can also integrate the sensor to the side, either in the lower part of the door or in the B pillar, to cover the lane next to us, so if any bicycle is coming or so on, but then also for the protection. So to block a door opening in case there is an obstacle in the path of the door. And with our ASPER 180 degrees field of view radar platform, we also support commercial vehicles with moving off information system. So that's what we see here. We get an obstacle in the path of the vehicle, and we also support this functionality for commercial vehicles. We also support motorcycle riding systems with this form factor with our 180 degrees radar platform. So as you see here, we can also cover 180 degrees behind the motorcycle with our radar platform. So with our first in market 180 degrees radar solution ASPER, it enables more performance and total system cost reduction. So what can we do? We can offer solutions where we have one radar at the back, at the front, and to each of the sides, to have a 360 degree coverage around the vehicle for a full near range coverage, but also covering mid-range functionalities, mid-range driving functionalities. And with that, it means that we save the cost of the 12 ultrasonic systems. We don't need that anymore because we cover parking, but then also the corner radars, because we offer the driving functionalities that the corner radars afford. So we exchange 4 corner radars, 12 ultrasonic systems, by 4 ASPER 180 degrees radars to do more functionality at lower cost.